National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, north central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 12:15 a.m. At 8:17 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1.5 inches of rain has already fallen with an additional inch or more possible. Some locations that will experience flooding include Casey, Byram, Sauderton, Bedminster, Tinicum, Hatfield, Dublin, Revere, Pottsville, Lumberville, Triggs, Pipersville, Gardenville, Telford, Sellersville, and Silverdale. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Tuesday for the following county: Hunterdon, New Jersey. Here is the forecast for the KWO 35 listening area.
Flood warning has been issued for Hunterdon County, Bucks County, and Montgomery County, effective until 12:18 a.m.
including the 36 species that are federally protected in the national park. Wood storks are one of them.